my face just fell off. No big deal. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, BrittanyBearMakeup here. If you guys are new, you are not gonna wanna miss today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup step by step. And in between each step, I'm gonna reach into this little heart-shaped box where there are challenges. So basically my boyfriend came up with challenges, never seen them before. God knows what Ozzy put in the box. And I'm gonna see if I can do my makeup against all odds. Let's go ahead, let's get started into the video. Before we do that, guys, I just need one thing from you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and let's get into the makeup challenge.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first step, which you guys already know. I love starting with my eyeshadow. So before we begin eyeshadow, I'm going to reach into this box and I'm gonna pick my first challenge for eyeshadow. Wish me luck. We'll see what we get. So the first one says, you have 10 seconds for application. That's a good one. That's honestly a good one. And you know what, Ozzy? I like a challenge, my friend. That's why I'm dating you. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the clock for 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I could do it, I could do it. Okay, I'm just blending. Come on, I need this popping photo. Okay, time is up. This isn't as bad as I expected it in 10 seconds. I'm a little shocked that I was able to actually kind of blend this well. So let's go ahead and jump into the next challenge. All right, guys, so now that I finished this, let's go ahead and go into the next step, which is going to be eyeliner. And you guys, I'm ready. I'm ready to see what we choose from this little box. Okay, let's go ahead and pick the next challenge. Oh Lord, this is gonna be a tough one. This says Ozzy's turn. So Ozzy's turn basically means that Ozzy has to do my makeup. This is the first time Ozzy's ever done anything makeup-wise on me. So, babe.
I'm excited.
Oh my god.
Let's get started. Okay.
He loves this. Babe, honestly though.
I honestly didn't want to get this. I wanted something simple.
Okay. But I'm being honest, I really want a good photo. So I need you to come I need you to come through with the eyeliner and actually make it presentable. So you edit my videos, you should know how to do it.
Wait, I'm supposed to do a wing?
No, you're supposed to do a freaking...
Or can I just do like a line? Can you give me some tips?
I'm not helping you. You edit my videos and you watch me do eyeliner all the time. You should be able to. This is the challenge.
Bad.
Baby, honestly, try.
I made it kind of thick. Okay.
Now you know why I don't like doing people's makeup.
Oh gosh.
That's not bad. Honestly.
I mean, like, at the end.
Don't get me wrong. Is
it sharp?
Is it Brittany Bear sharp?
No, it's not.
But I honestly have to say it's not as bad.
Myself. At least you have,
you
have two eyes, so I can redeem myself. I know you go over your mole.
Oh shit, that's good, baby.
How do you even know?
I can feel the strokes. You're doing a good job.
Dude, this is hard. How do you girls do this?
Well,
this is hard. Down small.
Baby, this one is so on point.
Is it good?
If you just like thicken the corner up, like draw that down.
Yeah, right now.
That is actually
anything you
really
want.
sharp.
Anything you want. Wait, would you say the bottom right here?
No, you thicken it up. Let's see. Honestly, that looks like I did my eyeliner. I'm not gonna lie, you get like a freaking AA+ for this eyeliner. That is so damn good, I'm shocked.
Bye guys.
Oh my god.
Enjoy the video. Good luck, babe.
Alright, thank you.
Good luck.
Wow, honestly guys, I'm shocked right now. My eyeliner looks so freaking good on this side. Like this one, it has potential. If he had like a makeup wipe, he could fix it. But this one, this will cut a couple girls, okay? The next step is going to be mascara. So typically this is an easy step. It's a little swippy swipe. Bam, you look fly. So I'm kind of curious to see what we have in the box of mysteries. Mystery box, the mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? All right, so the next one says mascara, mind you. Replace it with something else. That means no mascara. What could I replace mascara with? Let's go ahead. I'm gonna grab my eyeliner and I'm just gonna try to make it work. I'm just gonna go in and slightly blacken up these bad boys. Looks like this photo is not happening today, so yeah. If you don't see any footage or any new material on the gram, you know why. So I'm just gonna go in, dust these bad boys, give it a little lifty lift. Not too bad. All right. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this. I'm not even gonna lie, like I think I just created the new trend. forget your mascara, and use your eyeliner. So the next step that I do after that is typically my eyelashes, and you know, eyelashes can make or break a look. So let's see what the mystery box, oh, one just fell out of it. Let's go ahead. It's meant to be, guys. Let's see what this one says. It says skip this step. Oh, no he didn't. Shady little boy. When I look good at the end of this and he's like, wow, baby, you're right, you do look good, we'll see who's laughing. We'll see who's laughing. All right, so the next is gonna be foundation. I need a good one for this because I need my foundation to look fly. So I'm gonna go in the box once again. Let's see what the box says. It says, apply it with a brush. I hate applying foundation with the brush. Oh my God, I hate you, Ozzy. I didn't even bring like a foundation brush. I guess I'm gonna use this one. This is not a foundation brush, but it looks soft and it looks like it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna take my foundation and I'm gonna make this work today. So this one's not too bad. Like, people actually do this. I've just never been a fan of applying foundation with a brush. I don't know why. Okay, he thought he was playing me. Look at that coverage. Look at that coverage, guys. I still can't get over this eyeliner, guys. Like, I'm shocked. Ozzy's never done my makeup, and for him to do such a freaking straight line, like, that's some Brittany Bear talent right there. That is some next level cover girl superstar. Okay, honestly, guys, this is the best I can do with a brush. Like, I feel like it's not really stained on my skin. Kind of like all over the place, but you know what? It's okay because there's potential. There's always potential. All right, so the next step is my concealer. Now, I better have some good concealer because I'm gonna be pissed. I look legit tired. So let's go ahead and pick our challenge for the concealer. Oh, they're just falling out. It's destiny, my friends. No mirror. Okay. So I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. concealer because, you know, if I don't have a mirror, I gotta have full coverage. I feel like I could do this. This is something that I'm like, okay, so I normally go under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, lower forehead, chin area, sides of mouth, blah, 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 the other eye. So then this time I gotta take a beauty blender because it did not say that I couldn't use it. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to pat it out. I don't wanna ruin Ozzy's eyeliner game though. I feel like it was so strong, so I'm trying to be careful. I feel like I got this one. Like, I'm really confident with concealer right now. It's time to turn on the monitor. It's time to see what I accomplished with no mirror. This looks pretty freaking good. So wait, do I not get to blend out the rest?
No, that's it. You gotta move on.
Sneaky boy, sneaky boy. Okay, that's fine. You know what? We're gonna make it work. So the next thing that I typically do is bake. I love to bake my face. I love to bake cookies. I love to just bake. But we're gonna take a little challenge from the challenge box because we love a challenge. Okay. All right, Ozzy, let's see what else you use. A filter, huh? Oh, okay, so I'm gonna bake with a filter on my face.
Pretty much. So then again, you get no mirror and you get no monitor, so I gotta turn those off.
Oh, I like this. Okay, so let me turn the mirror.
There's a filter that I want you to use though on Instagram. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Wow, that is funny. It's called...
See something?
Oh my God. Ah, sneaky boy. Okay.
Okay,
all
ready?
right.
I gotta hold the phone so you can see.
I can't even see my face. The filter you chose, like my facial features just fall off onto the floor.
It's actually quite fun.
Okay, so I'm going to be taking my setting powder and I'm gonna be going under my eyes, my chin, this side. Oh, okay.
Hey, open your eye.
Hey, there's no cheating.
You gotta open your eye. I mean, open your mouth. Yeah, that's when it falls off.
No, I know. Oh wow, look at that bone structure. Okay. All right, I'm very confident with my baking. I feel like I did a good job. Can't really see, but you know, I'm feeling it, baby.
Just open your mouth one more time. Goodbye, everyone.
All right, guys, so here it is. She is baked. She is ready. She is flawless. Ozzy thought he could take my face away from me, and that was gonna stop me. I know my facial features like the back of my hand. Let's go ahead. Let's go into the next step that we have, which is bronzer. You already know what bronzer I'm using. I'm not even gonna have to tell you guys, but let's go into the mystery box. Let's pick a good one. Let's pick a good one. Let's see what this one says. It says lights off. Really? So how does anyone even know if I'm doing my makeup? You know what? I'm up for the challenge. Okay, bronzer this, turn the lights off. I'm still here, Bear Family. I'm still here. Don't worry. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my bronzer, give myself a little contour. Pretty sure it looks flawless. Duh. Okay, the other side, I'm just gonna bronze up the rim of my face. Okay, I'm ready. I feel like I did a good job.
Okay, ready?
Yes. Let's see what we're working with here. Tell me that's not good. Brittany is on a roll today. All right, so the next step that I would typically do is my highlight. So let's see what Ozzy has in store for the highlight. He doesn't want me to shine, clearly. That's why he created this video. But I'm gonna keep shining regardless, and let's see how he tries to stop me. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna choose this one. This one says, okay, it says one eye shut. All right, you know what? Let's do this, let's do this. I'm getting so hot with all these lights on. I'm wearing like a freaking knitted sweater right now. Let's go. So I'm gonna grab my highlight and I'm gonna shut my eye. Okay, and let's make it happen. So I'm just gonna go in, bam, bam, bam. Ooh, still blinding Ozzy. Okay, look at that, bam, bam. There is no stopping this shining.
Darn it.
Baby, you don't know me.
I thought you were gonna look so bad.
Let's even add a little shine on the nose. Let's just play you. Let's contour that nose while we're here.
You got lucky, you chose them in the right order.
Look at that. My nose still shining. Mm-hmm. Okay, and the highlight. Voila. So let's keep going, guys. This challenge is not over. So the next step is going to be blush, because we want to look cute even though deep down inside you're just knocking them out of the park. Okay, so the third one says, use the opposite hand. No, this cannot be. This is too crazy for me to understand. I have to use the opposite hand. All right, so I'm going to be taking my blush and I'm going to be swooping it in with the left hand because I'm right-handed. For those of you who did not know, we learn something every day. Blend that in. Oh, it actually goes on better with the left hand, Ozzy.
Like, is it softer or what?
Yeah, I think I might try this technique. Just... Ozzy's so mad right now, guys. This is hilarious because he's like, oh, you're gonna look so ugly.
No, I'm pissed because the last two are so easy. Like, you pretty much nailed it. You like knocked it out of the park.
Well, I'm sorry, babe. You try to play me. You thought. The truth is.
Just finished.
The next thing is lip liner. Okay, lip liner. We can do that. Let's go ahead in our mystery box. Okay, so going inside, it says no challenge.
This is why I'm pissed. Oh god, whatever.
Well, my friends, let's just finish it off with a bang with perfectly lined lips. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lips perfectly since I have that option. So we're gonna go into the last thing, which you already know is lipstick. Me and Ozzy forgot to put eyebrows on the list somehow, so that's not in this video, I guess. But I'll show the final look after I do my eyebrows so you guys can see how flawless it turned out. So let's go inside. We have one left.
Oh crap.
Let's see what it says.
Oh crap, how lucky you are.
Apply it last? You're lying. That's the last one I got?
Yeah, that's why I'm so pissed. You're supposed to get like foundation to apply it last.
Oh my gosh, you're lying.
You're so freaking lucky.
Honestly, I need to go put like $50 million on red because that is some luck right there. All right, so now that we have a little time, I'm just gonna slightly rub the lipstick on my lip. We're in no rush because we just conquered the world. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the look and then I'm gonna show you guys. So I'll see you guys in 1, 2, 3. Here it is, guys. Here is the final look from today's makeup challenge. I think Ozzy is like so determined to have a part 2 of this because he really wants to get me. So this might be a continuation video. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I want to give my post notification shout out to my girl, Joyce McDaniel. Thank you, love, so much for having your post notifications on. And honestly, you're so freaking sweet and I love you, I love you, I love you. If you guys want to shout out, all you guys had to do is turn on your post notifications and comment when done. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you comment below letting me know, how I did because we all know I slayed this look. So thank you guys. I will see all of my bear family in the next video. Bye, guys.